How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, Samsung has recently released the One UI 7 Beta 3 and on my Galaxy S24 Ultra, I have already received this major update which is around 1.2 GB in size. As you can see, they have not only fixed some minor bugs but also added important features and made some interesting changes as well. So in this video, we will quickly see all the important changes and then I will show you the animations as well. So stay tuned and watch this video until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first things first, I have noticed a couple of visual changes in the settings page. We now have this new installation banner when we receive updates on our phones. I think it actually looks really good where it shows all the new and fun elements of the One UI 7. Apart from this, when you go into the settings, scroll all the way down and select tips and user guide. Here we have this all new Galaxy AI animation at the top that again looks really cool. If we tap on it, it shows the Galaxy AI icon with a nice and beautiful animation. So these are some visual changes made within the settings page. Next, if we long press and go into the home screen settings, here they have made some minor changes. As you can see on the top, we now have this separate layout for the app size and icons. This was previously there inside the home screen layout, but now you can directly access from the main page. You can adjust the app and widget size, enable or hide the app labels as well. Then if you scroll down, we have this new option that says App Screen Grid. As you guys might already know that Samsung has introduced the vertical app drawer in the One UI 7. So when you're using the vertical drawer on your phone, you can now change the app screen grid for that. By default it is set to 4 columns, now you can increase and change that to 5 columns. Once done, when you open the app drawer, you will get 5 apps in a row. If I open the quick panel, not only have they made it look wider compared to the previous beta version, but when I tap on this pencil icon and select panel settings, here we have this brand new toggle called Quick Panel on the left side. So now you can choose whether you want to access the Quick Panel from the left or right side as per your requirements. So when I enable this toggle, now whenever I swipe down from the right side, it shows all my notifications, and by swiping from the left, we get access to the Quick Settings panel. Next, Samsung has also made some minor changes to the new bar feature. If I go into settings, select lock screen and AOD, then if I go inside now bar, not only have we got a different banner here, they have also removed many options. As of now, we can only see clock interpreter and emergency sharing, but I'm sure we'll get back all the missing options in the stable version. Finally, let me show you the animations. First things first, when I unlock my phone, we now have this brand new bouncy transition effect that I think looks really cool. So it's a new animation they have added in the beta 3, and now let's check out all the other animations as well. As you can see, Samsung has further improved the animations in the beta 3 and hopefully we'll get even smoother animations in the stable version. I'll also be comparing these animations with some popular Chinese skins, so stay tuned for that. With that said, if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.